As far as in Utah, backing up, and also when called upon, started giving quality minutes. Great competitor.
Oh, Draymond Green again. After an excellent block shot from Rudy Gobert.
They've missed Rudy Gobert a couple of times at the rim.
McGee running the floor. And Quinn Snyder quickly calls timeout. Did not like that transition defense. Klay Thompson off the dribble. Out to Clark. Clark for three. Iguodala on the follow. In the postseason. Shot clock at 8. Curry inside. Livingston. Beautiful. Threading the needle from Steph Curry. Top to Hood. Hood pump. Lots of contact there. Quinn Snyder upset. He's got a right to be. Back wing for the steal. Iguodala and Durant with the finish. Percentage. Green is leading the charge of that. Livingston. Back out Curry. Quick release on a three. Got it again. Back-to-back threes for Curry to lead up to 16.
For his shot, he's got to be a playmaker for this Jazz out.
Livingston gets inside. Barnes, nice touch pass to Iguodala. Iguodala. Thompson out to Clark for three. Back is on Durant. Here comes the double team. Oh, what a pass! And Iguodala with the easy slam. 7th assist for Durant. Timeout, Utah.